Let us see about these four intervals. The first one is here open interval. If we use the small bracket, this is read as open interval AB. If we use the square brackets, this is read as closed interval AB. This is left open interval A2, right left closed interval A2, right open interval B. This is left open interval A2, right closed interval B. If you observe this one, this is hollow circles and these are complete circles. See, this is complete circle, it is hollow circle. Here also same. When there is a square bracket, it is complete circle. Complete circle in the sense the value should be included. The hollow circle means the value should be excluded. That's the meaning of this real number line. Now, if you observe that, suppose x is a number between a and b. So, one is till now we represented these inequalities. A is less than x less than b. This also can be expressed as x belongs to open interval AB. The next one, A less than or equal to x less than or equal to b. So this can be expressed as x belongs to closed interval AB. And the next one is A less than or equal to x less than b. This can be expressed as, so what do you observe here in the first two cases? If there is only less than open interval, if there is equal signs, closed interval we have to use. Here, yes, the first one is having equal sign. The next one doesn't have the equal sign. So we can express this as x belongs to equal sign side is closed interval. Closed interval A to open interval B. The same way A less than x less than equal to B. This can be expressed as x belongs to open interval A to closed interval B. That's it. This is about these four. Let us take the example each one, then you can understand it. Suppose x belongs to open interval 2 to 5 is given. That means in place of x, we can take where it is open interval, the given values, extreme value should be excluded. So what are the values can be taken in place of x?
3 and 4.
3, 4. If it is x belongs to closed interval 2 to 5, then x can be taken as include these values also. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the meaning.
2, 3, 4, 5.
And the next one is x belongs to closed interval 2 to open interval 5. So what are the values can be taken in place of x? What are the values can be taken in place of x now?
2, 3, 4.
2 should be included, 5 should be excluded. So 2, 3, 4 only. 5 open interval so that we cannot take. Next, x belongs to open interval 2 to closed interval 5. So this is x
3,
equal
4,
to
5.
3, 4, 5. If the numbers are belong to natural numbers, a set of natural numbers is given or positive integers. Suppose x belongs to r is given. That means in place of this value, we can take from 2, 3, 4, 4.99, 4.9999 and so on. But exactly 5 should be excluded. That's the meaning of it. Sorry, included. Here in closed interval, we can include 2, 4, then 4.5, 4.999 and 5. X values can be taken. If it is the first one we can the last one we can take open interval 2 in the sense exclude 2. We can take 2.000001 onwards. 2.0002 and 3, 4, 4.99 and 5. That's the meaning of this. Now, when x belongs to a set of real numbers, that means very closer to 2 we can take, but exactly 2 should be excluded. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or of the null set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. What you get the result? Divisible in the sense the remainder should be 0.
Null set, sir.
So it is null set because any odd number if you divide by 2, the remainder would be 0. But here given it is remainder is 0. Like that numbers does not exist. So that it is null set. Set of even prime numbers. Set of even prime numbers we have.
Null, sir.
So it is singleton set. It is not null set. Like that you have to write. X is that X is a natural number. See the third one. X less than 5 and X greater than 7. So X is will consider as one number. Suppose 4 take it, which is satisfied. 4 less than 5, 4 greater than 7. The same number could not be exist as less than 5 and greater than 7. So that it is a null set. Next, Y. Y is a point common to any two parallel lines.
Null set, sir.
Y is a point common to any two parallel lines. So it is null set because if there are two parallel lines, there is no common point only. But here given Y is a common point to any two parallel lines, so that it is a null set. Like that, you have to write the solutions for the rest of questions. Do you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Infinite.
Finite set.
Finite.
Finite.
This is finite. Next one.
Infinite.
Infinite.
And this is finite.
Finite set.
Finite.
This is greater than 100. The set of positive integers greater than 100 is infinite.
Infinite.
The set of prime numbers less than 99 are finite.
Finite.
That's it.
Finite.
Okay. Next. What is the next question? The following sets state whether A equal to B or not. A is set of A, B, C, D. This is DCBA.
Yes, sir.
Are these equal or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Order of elements of set is immaterial. So A exists, B also exists, C and D. So that these are A equal to B. Next. What about the next one?
Then no.
No, sir.
No,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Not equal to B. And the third one. X
Yes, sir.
equal to
Yes,
10.
Yes.
Positive
sir.
unit.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So A equal to B. You write the solution for
No,
the
sir.
third one. No? Third one you should write A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then B also first write the set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And set B is write in roster form first. X is positive even integer, x less than or equal to 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8 less than or equal given, so we can include it. 10. Therefore, here also A equal to B. Fourth one.
Sir, no.
Fourth
No,
one,
sir.
we have to
No,
write down
sir.
sets now. X is a multiple of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. It is infinite. B is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. These are multiples of 5. Therefore, A not equal to B. As 15 does not exist in set A, 15, 25 and so on. A not equal to B. That's all over. then it is easy. So the solution, the first one is set A is set of 2, 3. B is x is that x is solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. First you have to factorize it and find the values of x. So this is
Sir,
x
x square plus 2x plus 3x plus
equal to 0. Yes. So x equal to minus 2 or minus 3. So set of B is minus 2 and minus 3. That you have to show that this part, and you have to write set A and set B in roster form. Then you can say that whether these are equal or not. Are these equal or not?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
They are not.
Okay.
You should write it. And the second one you can complete it. Let us go to the next. So 2, 4, 8, 12. So we could not find. So B, set B is
No,
that
sir.
1, 2, 3, 4. And set D also 1, 2, 3.
No, sir.
That means,
Yes, sir.
tell me.
B is equal to
B
D.
is equal to D.
Yes, B equal to D. B, D are equal sets. Next, any other sets?
A is equal to C.
B is equal to G.
E equal to G. Next, so E and G are equal sets. Still, that's it. So what about next one?
Not a
No,
not a
sir.
subset,
Not
sir.
a subset.
Not a subset, since from the first
A is not present
A
in
is
second section.
not in the second set, so that it is not a subset. So third one is
Yes, sir.
X is that X is a student of class 11 of your class. X is that X is student of your class. Is a subset or not?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Since you are in 11th standard, it is subset only.
Yes, sir.
So the next one, X is that X is a circle in the plane, and X is the X such that X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit.
Yes, sir.
Circle in the
Yes, sir.
is a subset or not?
Subset, sir.
Subset, sir.
See, the fourth one is circle is given. Circle in the plane. So it may be 1 meter radius, 2 meter radius, 3 meter radius, 4 meter radius from the first set. Let's come to the second set. X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. So with radius 1 unit, one circle is there, but the other circles are not exist in the second one, isn't it?
Yes,
Do you understand it?
yes, sir.
So are these a subset or not?
No, sir.
Because all circles in A does not exist in B, so that it is not subset.
Subset.
Next one. X is that X is a triangle in a plane. X is a rectangle in the plane. What can you say about it?
sir.
Triangle and rectangle, two are different, so it is not a subset. And the sixth one is X is that X
Not
is
a
a
subset.
equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle, and X
Sir.
is a triangle in the same plane. So same plane in the sense all triangles can be taken, not only one equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle is existing these all triangles, one equilateral triangle. So all equilateral triangles are exist in the next set, so that it is a subset. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So X says that X is an even natural number, and X says that X is an integer.
Yes, sir.
Even natural numbers set A 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. And the next set is X is an integer 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on, and minus 2, minus 4, and so on. So all the elements of set A are in set B, so that A is subset of B, so that this is subset. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.